നമസ്കാരം. കേരള PSC സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗിൻ്റെ ഇൻഫോർമേറ്റീവായ മറ്റൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഒരു പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. കാറ്റഗറി നമ്പർ 139/2012 7/9/2013 അസിസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് എഞ്ചിനീയർ തസ്തികയിലേക്ക് നടന്നൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് നമ്മളിന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നേരെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിലേക്ക് പോകാം. Question 1. The terminal velocity of a small sphere setting in a viscous fluid varies as the correct answer option D, inverse of fluid viscosity. Question 2. A cement bag contains 0.035 cubic meter of cement by volume. How many bags will 1 ton of cement compresses? Correct answer option D, 20. Question 3. Efflorescence of bricks is due to correct answer option A, soluble salt present in clay for making bricks. Question 4. Which of the following constituent in earth gives plasticity to mold bricks in suitable shape? Correct answer option C, alumina. Question 5. The compound which contributes the highest share of heat of hydration in cement is? Correct answer option B, tricalcium aluminate. Question 6. Putty is made up of? Correct answer option B, powdered chalk and raw linseed oil. Question 7. In making concrete, maximum density is achieved by? Correct answer option C, controlling the particle size distribution of the ingredient. Question 8. Which one of the following is not a vehicle in paints? Correct answer option D, turpentine oil. Question 9. In high tensile steel, carbon should be less than? Correct answer option B, 0.15%. Question 10. The headroom for staircase should not be less than? Correct answer option C, 2.10 meter. Question 11. The ratio of cement to mortar preferred in load-bearing walls in brick masonry is? Correct answer option B, 1:6. Question 12. A curtain wall carries? Correct answer option B, self-weight. Question 13. In ordinary residential and public buildings, the DPC is provided at? Correct answer option A, plinth level. Question 14. Laterite is a? Correct answer option A, argillaceous rock. Question 15. Marble is? Correct answer option B, metamorphic rock. Question 16. In any case of the bearing of lintel should not be less than? Correct answer option B, 150 mm. Question 17. The resultant of two equal forces F acting in opposite direction will be? Correct answer option D, 0. Question 18. The set of forces whose resultant is 0 are known as? Correct answer option A, equilibrium forces. Question 19. The center of gravity of a plane lamina is not at its geometrical center if it is a? Correct answer option D, right-angled triangle. Question 20. A system of coplanar forces in equilibrium when? Correct answer option C, both force and funicular polygon closes. Question 21. The diagram showing the point of application and line of action of forces in their plane is called? Option B, space diagram. Question 22. The specification of earthwork in foundation trenches, drain, etc. lift ordinarily specified is? Correct answer option B, 1.50 meter. Question 23. In analysis of rates, contractor's profit is taken at the rate of? Correct answer option C 10%. Question 24. 1 cubic meter of cement concrete 1:2:4 is to be mixed by volume. Number of cement bags required approximately will be. Correct answer option A 6. Question 25. The thickness of plastering to masonry wall is usually. Correct answer option D 12 mm. Question 26. In a detailed estimate, the provision for contingencies is usually. Correct answer option B 3% to 5%. Question 27. Original cost of property minus depreciation is. Correct answer option A book value. Question 28. While submitting a tender, the contractor is required to deposit some amount with the department as guarantee of the tender known as. Correct answer option D earnest money. Question 29. For a comfortable ascent of stairway, the number of steps in a flight should be restricted to a maximum of. Correct answer option B 12. Question 30. Construction of temporary structure to support an unsafe structure is known as. Correct answer option A shoring. Question 31. Which of the following is not an excavating equipment? Correct answer option B scraper. Question 32. An ideal flow of any fluid must fulfill the. Correct answer option D continuity equation. Question 33. A cubical tank is filled with water if side of tank is 1 meter. Pressure on the base of the tank will be. Correct answer option C 1000 kg. Question 34. The buoyancy depends upon the. Correct answer option B weight of the liquid displaced. Question 35. Block of wood 2 meter long, 2 meter wide and 1 meter deep is floating horizontally in water. If density of wood is 800 kg per meter cube, then the volume of water displaced will be. Correct answer option A 3.2 cubic meter. Question 36. The flow in a pipe or channel is said to be uniform when. Correct answer option A. The liquid particles at all sections have the same velocities. Question 37. Flow in a pipe is laminar if the Reynolds number is. Correct answer option D less than 2000. Question 38. Two pipe systems in series are said to be equivalent when. Correct answer option D. The discharge under the same head is same in both the systems. Question 39. In open channel, water flows under. Correct answer option A force of gravity. Question 40. Weir may be used to measure. Correct answer option C discharge in a river or channel. Question 41. The direction of flow of liquid in a propeller pump impeller is in. Correct answer option B axial direction. Question 42. The ratio of volume of voids to the total volume of the given soil mass is known as. Correct answer option A porosity. Question 43. Dry density of soil is. Correct answer option C ratio of the weight of soil solids to the total volume. Question 44. The effective size of soil is. Correct answer option A D ton. Question 45. A soil having uniformity coefficient more than 10 is called. Correct answer option D well graded soil. Question 46. The property of a soil which permit flow of water through its interconnected voids is called. Correct answer option C permeability. Question 47. The functional equation for specific gravity G, water content W, void ratio E, and degree of saturation SR is, correct answer option C, SR equal to Wg by E. Question 48. The law states that in laminar flow in a saturated soil, the velocity is directly proportional to the hydraulic gradient is called, correct answer option C, Darcy's law. Question 49. The gradual reduction in volume of a soil mass resulting from an increase in and continued application of compressive stress and is due to expulsion of water from the pores is called, correct answer option B, consolidation. Question 50. The minimum size of plate in plate load test is, correct answer option D, 300 mm. Question 51. Bearing capacity should be calculated from the criteria of, correct answer option C, both settlement and shear. Question 52. Floating foundation is a type of, correct answer option D, raft foundation. Question 53. A shallow foundation is a foundation that, correct answer option B, has a depth of embedment less than its width. Question 54. Diameter of a circular footing is 3 meter and side of a square footing is 3 meter. Both the footings are in the same soil C5 at same depth. The ultimate bearing capacity of circular footing is, correct answer option A, less than square footing. Question 55. The energy stored in a material within elastic limit when it is under strain is called, correct answer option C, resilience. Question 55. The energy stored in a material within elastic limit when it is under strain is called, correct answer option C, resilience. Question 56. The property of a material enabling it is to resist deformation under stress is called, correct answer option B, stiffness. Question 57. The rate of change of bending moment is equal to, correct answer option A. Question 58. The point in a beam where the shear force changes sign is called the point of, correct answer option A, maximum bending moment. Question 59. For a simply supported beam carrying a uniformly distributed load, the shape of the bending moment diagram will be, correct answer option B, parabolic. Question 60. A cantilever beam of length L, cross section A is subjected to a total uniformly distributed load of W and a concentrated load W1 at a distance L1 from free end will have maximum moment of, correct answer option D, WL by 2 plus W1 into L minus L1. Question 61. Out of the following mild steel section, the most economical section is, correct answer option A, I section. Question 62. The shear force on the principal plane is, correct answer option C, 0. Question 63. If the number of members provided is more than the requirement, then the frame will be classified as, correct answer option B, redundant frame. Question 64. The most suitable reason to adopt hollow circular section in place of solid circular shaft is, correct answer option B, more strength for same weight per unit length. Question 65. The backside reading on a benchmark 200 meter was 2.650 meter. If the inverted staff reading to the bottom of a cantilever porch slab is 0.350 meter, the RL of the bottom of the slab is, correct answer option B, 203. Question 66. A survey in which horizontal and vertical locations are fixed by linear and angular measurements is known as, correct answer option D, topographical survey. Question 67. The survey in which the curvature of Earth is ignored is called. Correct answer option A, plain survey. Question 68. As per Indian standard, the length of one link in 30-meter chain should be. Correct answer option A, 0.20 meter. Question 69. The error is measured length due to sag of chain or tape is known as. Correct answer option A, positive error. Question 70. The baseline is measured with. Correct answer option D, chain. Question 71. If the force bearing of a line AB is observed to be 12 degree 24 minute, the back bearing of a line AB should be. Correct answer option D, 192 degree 24 minute. Question 72. At magnetic poles, the dip of magnetic needle is. Correct answer option C, 90 degree. Question 73. In leveling, the error due to refraction is. Correct answer option C, compensating. Question 74. Closed contours with higher values inside represents. Correct answer option B, hill. Question 75. When the bubble of the level tube of a level is central. Correct answer option A, line of sight is horizontal. Question 76. The process of turning the telescope about the vertical axis in a horizontal plane is known as. Correct answer option D, swinging. Question 77. The hinged end of a propped cantilever of span L settles by an amount of delta, then the rotation of the hinged end will be. Correct answer option C, 3 delta by 2L. Question 78. Two beams carrying identical loads simply supported are having same depth, but beam A has double the width as compared that of beam B. The ratio of the strength of beam A to that of beam B is. Correct answer option C, 2. Question 79. Deflection can be controlled by using appropriate. Option C, span by depth ratio. Question 80. In a load balanced pre-stressed concrete beam under self load, the cross section is subjected to. Correct answer option D, axial and shear stress. Question 81. In a cantilever retaining wall of height h, the horizontal pressure of earth will act at a distance of. Correct answer option D, h by 3 from base. Question 82. The minimum size of reinforcement bar in RCC column is. Correct answer option D, 12 mm. Question 83. In a cantilever beam, tensile reinforcement is provided. Correct answer option A, on the top of the beam. Question 84. In a doubly reinforced rectangular beam, the allowable stress in compression steel is. Correct answer option C, less than the permissible stress in tension in steel. Question 85. The section in which concrete is not fully stressed to its permissible value of when stress in steel reaches its maximum value is called. Correct answer option A, under reinforced section. Question 86. A hydrograph is a plot of. Correct answer option B, stream flow against time. Question 87. The instrument used for measuring wind speed is. Correct answer option A, anemometer. Question 88. The method of moment distribution in structural analysis can be treated as. Correct answer option B, displacement method. Question 89. Which one of the following tests is performed in the laboratory to determine the extent weathering of aggregate for road work? Correct answer option A, soundness test. Question 90. Which one of the following method is used to design the rigid pavement? Correct answer option C, Westergaard's method. Question 91. The plasticity index of the granular submerged material should be, correct answer option A, less than 6. Question 92. For removal of temporary hardness in water, correct answer option B, water is boiled. Question 93. Zeolite is, correct answer option C, hydrated alumina silicate. Question 94. Coagulant are used when turbidity of water is more than, correct answer option A, 50 ppm. Question 95. The contact pressure distribution under a rigid footing on a cohesionless soil would be, correct answer option C, 0 at edges and maximum at center. Question 96. The minimum grade of concrete used for RCC work shall be, correct answer option C, M20. Question 97. The stripping time for formwork props of beam having span more than 6 meter is, correct answer option D, 21 days. Question 98. In water-bound macadam rods, binding material to hold stone is, correct answer option B, red earth. Question 99. Plinth area of a building is, correct answer option C, built up covered area measured at plinth level. Question 100. The maximum horizontal distance between reinforcement in RCC slab in tension as per IS 456 is, correct answer option A, 3 times the effective depth or 300 mm, whichever is less.